What is it? What is it?
Mascot figure.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
We are not good at English.
Everything 3D printed.
Yes.
Yes.
And we.
I have money.
300 yen.
Oh. 300. How much do I have? I only have that much. Not enough?
Yes, I'm sorry, not enough.
Not enough. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah. Maybe more in the pocket. Ah! 300 yen. Okay, you try. Go ahead.
It's in that one.
Okay. One,
Yes.
2,
And 3.
and 3 here.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. What do we have?
What? What is it?
Oh!
Otori-kun.
I get the best one. The best one. Yay!
He's our school's mascot.
Mascot. Your school mascot.
Yes, school mascot.
Nice. I like it.
The most famous.
I like it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Otori.
Otori-kun.
Otori. Thank you. Okay. Hello.
Okay, hi.
It's a game.
Yeah, this is a game that uses platform.
It will ring,
Yes.
and it's like bop or something. Okay. Show me.
Okay.
Right? Oh, game over. Okay. 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 Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Very fun. Fun. Okay. It is a donation robot. Donation robot. Say hello. Hello.
Hello.
He made a donation robot. I put a coin, any coin in. And wow, look at that. That's awesome. Very fun, very fun. More coins, make it go longer. Yay! Keep going, more money. Love it. Thank you.
Thank you. It's Japanese culture. Very much.
I will help him. Put the money in. Put the money in. Any coin will do. Yay! Uh-oh. There we go. There we go. All right. Love it. Nice job. Nice job. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
3 rubber bands can run over 100 meters. Ticket vendor.